From our joy of having you with us, today we're bringing you a collection of easy and simple dessert recipes that will impress your family and guests with delicious and distinctive dishes. We'll teach you step by step how to prepare the most delicious desserts in easy and simple ways, so you can enjoy preparing them and savor a delicious result. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can receive all the new recipes and ideas and be the first to enjoy everything new from us. In the first shape of the recipes, we take any simple dessert mold and put some dough in it, then press it from all sides. Then we take it out of the mold to take a shape like the one shown in the picture. After we finish all the shapes, we put them in the oven to bake until they are golden and ready. Then, we decorate them with any type of melted chocolate as shown in the video. In the second shape of the recipes, it's almost the same as the first shape, but with a different mold that we used. We followed the same steps, put some dough in the mold and pressed it from all sides, then took it out of the mold to take a shape like the one shown in the picture. After we finished all the shapes, we put them in the oven to bake until they are golden and ready. Then, we decorate them with any type of chocolate, and always the decoration is optional according to preference and what is available at home. After we finish preparing the desserts and baking them in the oven until they are golden, it's not just about the final shape that is delicious and appealing, but also the way we decorate them plays a big role in the attractiveness of the dessert. The idea of decoration may vary by choosing the chocolate we love, or even using chopped fruits or mint to add a touch of natural colors and flavors. And to ensure the success of the recipe and the quality of the result, here are some tips. In the kneading stage, try to be accurate in measuring the ingredients and use them in the correct proportion. To shape the desserts uniformly and beautifully, try using auxiliary tools such as spoons or special molds. When putting them in the oven, make sure to preheat the oven and adjust the temperature according to the recipe instructions. And don't forget the importance of monitoring the baking process in the oven, as each oven differs in heat distribution and baking speed.